babe. You're late.
Oh! What's up, guys? Good morning. Just woke up late, of course. But we're still on time. I just hit up the homie shop saying that I'm gonna be there a little late. He said it's cool, so that's good news. The shop is in Vallejo. I'm in Sacramento, but it's not gonna stop us from getting the starlights that's gonna be put in the G. Shout out to the homie Custom Migs Customs. Y'all, if y'all need starlights done, hit them up on Instagram as Migs Customs. Other than that, let's go on a road trip, guys, to Vallejo. Ciao! This is the shop right here.